Hello everyone. Today we will draw an elephant. Let's get started. Black first. First draw the trunk. Elephants make a very loud roar. Now head. Draw eyes. Now let's draw big ears. Now legs. I love fun drawing, do you? And now let's draw a body, a big elephant. Almost forgot to draw a ponytail. Coloring time. Here and there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a blue. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there. Gray. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.